Hey, this is Mike from Style Flip. Today we want to do a quick showcase of our Nintendo Switch controller skins. Check it out, full wraps, available at styleflip.com for the Nintendo Switch. You can log on to the site and create your own design right off our website. Upload your own images, change colors, add custom fonts. Check us out online at styleflip.com. Create your Nintendo Switch controllers right on our site. We ship you the skin for easy install. This is a user end install that you can install yourself. It's removable, will not damage the unit, comes off clean. You can add back the default text as well right off our site if you want to have the logo back on there. Check us out. These are the Nintendo Switch customizable skins, styleflip.com.